Join me as I take on the challenge of cooking 5 high-protein dinners that not only taste amazing, but also help with weight loss. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 5 high-protein dinner recipes that are not only delicious, but also support weight loss. These recipes are perfect for anyone looking to shed a few pounds while still enjoying tasty meals. When it comes to losing weight, one of the biggest challenges we face is finding healthy meals that are high in protein and low in calories. It's easy to get stuck in a rut, cooking the same old boring meals over and over again. But the thing is, high-protein meals don't have to be boring. In fact, they can be super flavorful and exciting. The problem is, most of us don't know where to start or what ingredients to use. Another challenge we face is finding meals that are quick and easy to prepare. Let's face it, we're all busy, and cooking a healthy meal from scratch can take a lot of time and effort. But what if I told you that there are meals out there that can be cooked in under 30 minutes and still pack a huge protein punch? So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 high-protein dinner recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to make and perfect for weight loss. These recipes are packed with protein, low in calories, and are made with ingredients you can easily find at your local grocery store. Recipe number 1 is my baked salmon with quinoa and broccoli. This recipe is a game changer for anyone looking to up their protein intake. The salmon is packed with protein, and when paired with quinoa and broccoli, you've got a meal that's not only delicious, but also super nutritious. To make this recipe, simply season the salmon with some lemon juice and herbs, bake it in the oven for 12 minutes, and serve it with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Recipe number 2 is my spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Butterfly the chicken breast, stuff it with spinach and feta, and bake for 20 minutes. Recipe number 3 is my lentil and vegetable curry. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a plant-based high-protein meal. The lentils are packed with protein, and when paired with some sautéed vegetables and a side of brown rice, you've got a meal that's not only delicious, but also super nutritious. To make this recipe, simply sauté the onions and garlic, add the lentils and vegetables, and cook until the lentils are tender. Serve it with a side of brown rice, and you're good to go. Recipe number 4 is my turkey and avocado wrap. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and easy high-protein meal. Simply cook the turkey breast in a pan, add some sliced avocado and lettuce, and wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla. This meal is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and healthy fats. Recipe number 5 is my Greek yogurt and berries parfait. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a high-protein dessert that's also low in calories. Simply layer the Greek yogurt with some fresh berries and granola, and you've got a dessert that's not only delicious but also super nutritious. The Greek yogurt is packed with protein, and when paired with the antioxidants from the berries, you've got a dessert that's not only tasty but also super healthy. One recipe that really stands out to me is my baked salmon with quinoa and broccoli. Not only is it packed with protein, but it's also super easy to make and is ready in under 30 minutes. The salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, and when paired with the complex carbohydrates from the quinoa, you've got a meal that's not only delicious, but also super nutritious. I'm telling you, this recipe is a game changer for anyone looking to lose weight. It's so easy to make and is packed with protein and healthy fats. Plus, it's super versatile, so you can swap out the salmon for chicken or tofu if you're not a fan of fish. I'm also super excited about my spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and healthy fats. The spinach adds a boost of antioxidants, and when paired with the feta cheese, you've got a meal that's not only tasty, but also super nutritious. Another recipe that I just can't get enough of is my lentil and vegetable curry. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a plant-based high-protein meal. The lentils are packed with protein, and when paired with some sautéed vegetables and a side of brown rice, you've got a meal that's not only delicious, but also super nutritious. In conclusion, these 5 high-protein dinner recipes are not only delicious, but also perfect for weight loss. They're packed with protein low in calories and are made with ingredients you can easily find at your local grocery store. If you have a favorite high-protein meal, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy recipe ideas and weight loss tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe to my channel.